Hi, today I'm front of me Oppo A1 and I'll show you how to customize audio option on this device. So first let's open the Muviz Edge app. In AD section, select one from the available tabs, tap to apply. Here we could choose switch the backgrounds of the tab by swipe to the up or to the down, tap to apply by change the position of this white dot on this panel. You could hide the music controls after 10 seconds or never. To show notifications and calendar the date you should use the switchers, and battery status we could show always while charging or never. Go back, switch edit to the settings, tap to always on display section. Here on the right upper corner we got the switcher with which we could activate or turn off the AD option. Here we got show on screen lock AD options while charging, on music or always. You could also use these two options separately. We could decrease or increase the brightness level, to change the AD timeout, to change the low power after timeout, to change the screen orientation, to close it by double or single tap on the lock screen, to close it with a fingerprint, on screen off, to set the shadow, the start, the end time, and to just activate or turn off the pocket mode, and to disable this option during the calls. So that's it, that's how to customize AD option on our Oppo A1. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.